Dear student, very good morning to all of you. This is class our MSc. We are discussing on chromatography. These these type of techniques we have discussing in previous lecture. Today we are discussing on high pressure liquid chromatography, HPLC. Here is HPLC is important and advanced technique of chromatography, and it is also advanced technique for separate out mixture and determine the mixture. Introduction. What is HPLC and what is use of it? First upon, we introduce to HPLC. HPLC is a form of liquid chromatography. This chromatography used for separate compounds that are dissolved in solution. Which compounds are separated out by this chromatography, that compounds are dissolved in solution. HPLC instrument consists of a reservoir of mobile phase, a pump, an injector, a separation column, and a detector. These are some parts of HPLC instrument. We know that all types of chromatography have two types of the phases. One is mobile phase and another is stationary phase. Compounds are separated by injecting a sample mixture into the column. Onto the column, the different component in the mixture pass through the column and differentiate due to differences in their partition behavior between the mobile phase and their stationary phase. The mobile phase must be degauged to eliminate the formation of their bubbles. This is the HPLC system. We can see that here reservoirs and solvent 1 and solvent 2. Here is degasser 1 and 2, degasser, and solvents are one type solvents in one degasser and second type in second degasser. Here is the mixing vessels. These two types of solvents are mixing on this space, and this is a high pressure pump. Here we use high pressure pump, so we can say this chromatography high pressure liquid chromatography. And here we use vacuum pump also. This is pre-column. Here we can say here that this is a column known as pre-column, and this is the flow splitter, and this is the pressure gauge and sample inject port. Here sample inject port, analytical column, differential detector. Here is to waste and to waste for fraction collector. Four types of liquids are used in chromatography? First is partition chromatography, second adsorption or liquid solid, and third is chromatography, and fourth is ion exchange chromatography and size extension gel or chromatography. Composition of a liquid chromatography system. These types of the composition. First upon solvent delivery system, pump, injector, sample, column, detector, waste collector and recorder. These all are shown in diagram also. This is the picture of HPLC instrument. This is the HPLC instrument picture. This is the main instrument and this is the detector. Uses. What is the use of the HPLC? This HPLC technique is used for chemistry and biochemistry, research analyzing complex mixture, purifying chemical compounds, developing process for the synthesizing chemical compounds, isolating natural product like a carbohydrate or predicting physical properties. It is also used in quality control to ensure the purity of raw material, to control and improve process yield, to quantity assess of final product, or to evaluate product stability and monitor degradation. In addition, it is used for analyzing air and water pollutants, for monitoring material that may jeopardize occupational safety or health, and for monitoring pesticide levels in the environment. Federal and state regulatory agencies use for high pressure liquid chromatography to survey food and drug products, for identifying confiscated narcotics, or to check for adherence to label claims. HPLC chromatograph injector. The function of the injector is to place the sample into the high pressure flow in as narrow volume as possible, so that the sample enters the column as a homogeneous low volume plug. To minimize spreading of the injected volume during transport to the column, the shortest possible length of tubing should be used for the injector to the column. When an injection is started, an air actuator rotates the valve, solvent goes directly to the column, and the injector needle is connected to the syringe. The air pressure lifts the needle and the vial is moved into position beneath the needle. Then the needle is lowered to vial. HPLC column. What is type of the HPLC column? Any chromatography is important part of column. All chromatography techniques are acting basic criteria of column. So all type of chromatographic techniques have column. The column is one of the most important component of the HPLC also, because the separation of the sample component is achieved when those components pass through the column. The high performance liquid chromatography HPLC apparatus is made out of stainless steel tubes with a diameter of 3 to 5 mm and a length ranging from 10 to 30 cm. Normally, columns are filled with silica gel because its particle shape. Silica gel have particle shape, surface properties and pore structure help to get a good separation. Silica is weighted by nearly every potential mobile phase, is inert to most compounds and has high surface activity which can be modified easily with water and other agents. Silica can be used to separate a wide variety of chemical compounds and its chromatographic behavior is generally predicted and reproducible. This is the column, picture of an column. This is the column. Important part of this technique HPLC, high performance liquid chromatography. What effect? System, column parameter, instrumental parameter. Column parameter like as column material, deactivation, stationary phase and coating material, and instrumental parameter like as temperature is also affected, flow is also, and signal, sample density and detector also. What affects system? Sample parameters like its concentrations, matrix, solvent effect and sample effect. And then the several column types like as normal phase, reversible phase, size exclusion, ion exchange, normal phase. In this column type, the retention is governed by a interactor of the polar parts of the stationary phase and solute. For retention to occur in normal phase, the packing must be more polar than the mobile phase with respect to the sample, like as reverse phase. In this column, the packing material is relatively non-polar and the solvent is polar with respect to the sample. Retention is result of the interaction of the non-polar compounds of the solute and the non-polar stationary phase. Typical stationary phase are non-polar hydrocarbons, waxy with liquid or bonded hydrocarbons. And the solvent are polar aqueous organic mixture such as methanol water or acetonitrile water. Size exclusion. In size exclusion, the high HPLC column is consists of the substance which have controlled polar pore size and is able to be filtered in a ordinary phase according to its molecular size. Small molecules penetrate into the pores with a packing while larger molecules only partially penetrate in the pores. The large molecule elevate before the smaller molecules. Ion exchange. In the column type of the sample, components are separated based upon the attractive ionic forces between molecules carrying charged group or opposite charge to those charged on the stationary phase. Separations are made between a polar mobile liquid, usually water containing salts or small amounts of the alcohol, and stationary phase containing either acidic or basic fixed site. Selectivity factor is also. K value tell us where bands elevate relative to the void volume. These values are unaffected by such variable as flow rates and column dimensions. The value tell us where two peaks elevate relative to each other. This is referred to as selectivity factor of the separation factor. Type of the liquid chromatography LCC. LCC liquid, LSC liquid solid adsorption, SCC size exclusion, GLC, GCC, SFC supercritical flood. Types of the detector used in the HPLC. Absorbance, ultraviolet with filtered ultraviolet with monochromators, infrared absorbance, fluorescence, refractive index, evaporative light scattering detector ELSD, and electrochemical mass spectrometric and photodiode array. Evaluation parameter, efficiency, evaluation parameter have more efficiency, more resolution, internals and retention index, column bleed and capacity factor also. These are the references. Thank you. Thank you so much to students. Like, share and subscribe my channel R Chemistry class.